Hey guys, this is Sanjeev Khurana and I welcome you all again to my channel. So guys, as you all know, yesterday I have done the service of my Classic 350. So in today's video I'll give you an update or any little bit information that does the silencer affects after the first service, whether there is a change in a thumb sound of Classic 350 silencer. So today I will be giving you the video on this thing only. The video will be approximately of 3 to 4 minutes max to max, not that lengthy. So today I will be uploading it right now. So please watch the video till the end and give me thumbs up. And guys, do subscribe to my channel for further more videos on Classic 350. So thank you guys, thank you very much.